Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the Logitech G333. These might be the best budget gaming earbuds on the market. Let's find out why. Alright guys, let's jump right into this unboxing. Logitech has done a fantastic job with the packaging here. You can see this carbon neutral box. All the instructions are laid out perfectly clear in this dark contrast, and with the white, it's just beautiful. I think a lot of other products should really incorporate this type of packaging. No wasted space here. So here they come with the 3.5mm to USB-C conversion cable, which is a nice touch. They also provide a nice variety of silicone ear tips and a beautiful mesh case. I mean, I really like this little case here that they provided. I mean, it's compact, it has a nice flexibility to it, and just an overall premium construction. The earbuds themselves at a first glance look amazing. They are a solid build quality of lightweight aluminum with a flat 1.8 meter cable. On the back of the earbuds, they have a beautiful logo design that plays really well with the translucent silicone ear tips. And these come with 9.2mm drivers to handle the low end and a 5.8mm driver to handle the mids and the highs. So these dual driver earbuds definitely deliver on the sound quality front. They're available in multiple colors, and this one here is my favorite. It's the black with the translucent blue. The controls are pretty standard here. You got the volume up, volume down, as well as the pause and play skip forward button. All in all, the build quality is fantastic, and the aluminum flat cable passes my pocket test as well, so that's always a nice plus. Now it's time for the sound test. One use case is for users on the PlayStation 5, which I found to be extremely useful. I tested these on a couple of PlayStation 5 games and I was pleasantly surprised. You can hear the footsteps extremely well. The dual drivers were working extremely hard. You can hear reloads, footsteps. The clarity in the dialogue was superb. The highs were extremely clear, and the lows had nice bass without it becoming too muddy. And overall, it's nice because it's compact to have in your pocket. Take it to a friend's house. You don't have to sync anything up. You just pop it into the controller and you're good to go. And for my use cases, it works fantastic. The Last of Us 2 sounded phenomenal as well. One thing that really impressed me at this price point is that the earbuds were able to pick up even tiny sounds like buzzing of bees, clickers, hissing noises. It was just very clear. The separation of detail was there, exactly what I wanted, and especially at this price point, I mean, you could not have asked for more. The earbuds are also excellent for Zoom calls. I have it here attached to my smartphone, playing a little YouTube, but it works fantastic for Zoom calls as well. Here's the mic test that I performed on my phone, and you can hear the quality and difference. The Logitech G333's microphone is pretty good. If you have it attached to your smartphone like I'm doing right now and doing a recording, you can see how nice and crisp, clear sounding audio you get from this. What it does seem to lack is noise isolation though. As for instance, if I'm typing right now and you're on a Zoom call or a work call for whatever reason, and you need to type some notes up, you can see that it picks up a lot of background noise. There are a few cons that we should consider, however. One of them being the inline controls only work through USB-C. So that means if you're using your PlayStation 5, you won't be able to do the volume up or volume down. You'll have to use a software for that. The second big thing is there's no mute button. In 2021, I'm expecting a mute button, especially on a wired headset. And the third big thing is there is no G-Hub software support. So you're not going to be able to, set any equalizer or tinker around with the sound. But however, the sound stage alone in its natural state is really good. But it's something I think you guys should know. As I mentioned earlier, the earbuds are available in a couple of colors. You can find this on Logitech's website. I'll put the links in the description below. Overall, I give these gaming earbuds a solid 9. Don't sleep on these guys. Thanks for watching the video. I hope this was helpful. Until the next one.